DAO AI is AI reputation scores for DAO contributors.
Hi, my name is Tawanda, and I'm the founder and CEO of DAO AI. I built my first technology startup in 2021 at the age of 24. It was the largest high school esports gaming startup in Canada. And in 18 months, I was able to successfully exit the company. I come from a background of like data and economics, and I believe that when we look at DAOs specifically, that accountability and reputation is one of the most missing pieces as it relates to governance in general. DAOs in the future will hold over $10 trillion of assets. And one of the biggest missing pieces, if we relate this back to credit systems, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax were essentially the backbone of traditional finances, credit systems that allowed individuals to trade and allowed individuals to conduct peer to peer transactions with trust. One of the things I think is missing in DAOs is that trust layer. Across DAOs today, there's over 3.5 million people who make decisions in DAOs, but we don't really know what is their reputation, why are they making these decisions, and most importantly, what are the incentives behind what they're building. Effectively, DAO AI is essentially a governance participation system that allows anyone to build a real reputational based identity. Effectively, what we're actually building is the TransUnion for DAOs. So imagine a world where you participate in a DAO, and every time you vote, every time you create a proposal, or anytime you engage, you are rewarded. And what this essentially does is creates an incentivized reputation based system that is decentralized, trust based, and will become the reputation layer. One of the most interesting use cases we're actually looking to integrate is the integration of reputation based and accountability based systems into smart cities. Currently, we're actually moving our company to the United Arab Emirates and working in tandem with a few folks there based on building a reputation based layer for our region within the United Arab Emirates. If we actually go back to this slide, the UAE has actually become one of the countries that has integrated DAOs into a region within the United Arab Emirates. And we believe that by leveraging DAO AI's technology, they'll actually be able to use reputation based systems to actually get over one of the biggest roadblocks which they're actually experiencing, which is figuring out which individuals and which DAOs hold people the most accountable. DAO AI is growing incredibly fast. We're really in that stage. We're really focused on building out our community, and we've one thing we've done pretty well, and we've done way better than a lot of companies. Is we've become one of the most talked about projects on OG Labs. A lot of their community members are really excited about what we're building, and our goal as a company is to essentially be the number one DApp project that's actually going to be released on top of OG Labs. So we're really excited about the growth over there. In comparison to other projects that are out there, we see DAO AI as a comparison and benchmark towards Kaito AI. One thing about Kaito AI is that they essentially tokenized attention. With DAO AI, we're essentially tokenizing influence and contribution. And what we see there is that there's going to be immense growth and chatter around how we're essentially rewarding and incentivizing users across the blockchain and across communities to earn rewards based on their reputation as it relates to DAOs. Kaito AI was able to TG at a $2 billion valuation. I think it just shows that there's a lot of opportunity as it relates to DAO AI and what we're doing specifically. When we look at our key competitors, I mean, there's a lot of demand for AI driven solutions in the blockchain space right now. Kaito AI is doing a great job at this. And we believe if DAO AI can position itself as the number one reputation based layer for DAOs, we're definitely set to win this space and do significantly well if we continue to execute in the manner we have so far. So incredibly proud to have the support of Seraphon, OG Labs, and OnePiece Labs. And we're raising 750K. That's our current ticket size. But yeah, we're looking forward to having conversations with everyone that's here on this call. Thank you so much, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.